Will I stop here? So I want to see when the page now automatically loads, it just goes straight to the welcome page. Let's see the login. Okay, let's just finish with the home page, so I'll come back to that one. I need to put this, put the remainder of the pages. Sorry, I need to remove this. So I'm going to put all the 4 tabs I'm going to need here. I think this is and then it's going to be messages. Make the second tab be messages. Let's make this tab notification. So now I'm putting these as tabs because I won't use the default tabs. Just take out the n, small n, and or settings here. I'm going to put settings. Sorry about that. Because these ones require authentication, these pages, hence I've put the path. Now what I need to do is copy a tabs page and take it to the home page. And I'm going to change this to news, this to messages. This has got to be the same name as the page name. Notification. Let me just add one more. For settings. Shall I remove this? So that this is the messages that will appear there. I may put caps lock here. Now let's see. Go to the welcome page. Let's go to home and see. So I just need to see. Okay, something wrong probably that I just forgot to put. It's the news page. Everything is added. Just want to double check. I'm able to find the login page. And the login page is here. Sign up. Sign up page is here. So I will check again on home. Is still displaying that or not? Okay. So I need to just fix that. So that's basically means I've cancelled out the let me change the I think settings is settings. I think the icon settings is setting, messages is send. I think notification is notifications. I think those are the icon names. I think here it's newspaper. That is the icon. Let me just double check with the routing module. That everything is done properly. Everything seems to be proper here. I'm just trying to figure out where did it's not displaying the home page. Yes, see, these ones are coming out. Now I need to be able to show the pages now that require authentication. I think I'll go to my app routing. Check out the path. Now let's see home. Yes. Now on home you can see there's news, there's messages, there's notifications, and there's settings. And then those are the pages that we've just added. I think here, see, once you miss and put the wrong thing here, it doesn't become a proper tab. So I think I need to go to the home page and double check what did I put here. I think I didn't put the path. So now small thing. You can just tamper with it. Oh, sorry, I put the wrong thing here. Don't know what I was thinking. Should be here, not there. And just go back, put the message back here, which is button. Sorry guys, I put it in the wrong place. Now it's fine. So when I log in, when I approach the program, the first thing I see is the welcome page, even though I made a mistake here in the spelling, but it's okay. So this is where you, then from here, I want us to save this. This is how we're going to save this. We're going to use this particular program to continue as far as design is concerned. Thank you.